from Africa and America, from the whole Europe, even from Asia and Australia. People are praying together, having fun and living life at the Festival of Life in Kokotek, Poland. But what makes this event so special? Let's check it out!
Life, Joy, God. That's the slogan of the Festival of Life, the biggest Christian festival in Poland. A week intense concerts, conferences, workshops, as well as daily holy masses, worship, 24/7 adoration, and most of all, the huge fellowship of young living church. Some of them travel hundreds and thousands of miles to spend this 1 week here, in the middle of the forest, and when asked why they do it, the most common answer is...
Definitely the best week in my life.
Bonjour, my name is Adrian, I'm from Quebec, Canada. I came here because I wanted to search for a religious activity, and there are not so much of these things in America.
Hi everyone, we are from Sweden. We are here in Kokotek. There's just so many people right here, and the atmosphere is wonderful. And yes,
It's very fun, and come to Kokotek next year. Welcome.
I think the most extreme run which I had was last year. Yeah, this year so it was also a long run, but I finished the race.
And my name's Alex, I'm from Chicago, Illinois. Me too, but I'm also impressed on overall how well this is organized and the amount of people that decided to show up and be part of such a cool thing.
Hello, we are from Australia and we flew to Kokotek. It took us 24 hours.
So we flew from the other side of the world to show our kids the greatest inspiration. There is a hope and faith. Looking at young people here, it's a big hope for us to experience Christ. So we're coming next year.
Festival of Life!
The Festival of Life is the work of a charismatic priest, Father Tomasz Maniura. His goal is very simple.
It's all about life, and God is life.
At the Festival of Life you may live the best week of your life. Check out our social media and join the event. See you in Kokotek!